Hello everyone, my name is Arti Audappa Todkar, Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering. My topic name is horizontal communication. So starts. Today I am going to present about horizontal communication, an important type of horizontal communication that happens between employees or departments. In this presentation, we will understand its meaning, importance. So, horizontal communication is the exchange of information between people or departments at the same organization level. It helps in teamwork, coordination, and better decision making, common in schools, colleges, companies, and organizations. Imagine a workplace where departments never talk to each other. Projects would slow down, confusion would increase, and teamwork would fail. This is why horizontal communication is essential in every organization. Today, let's explore how to communication between colleagues and teams helps organization work efficiently. So let's talk about features of horizontal communication. Communication at same level. It takes place between employees or departments working at the same position or level in an organization. Horizontal communication improves coordinations. It helps different teams or co-workers coordinate their work effectively. Also, it helps support teamwork. Employees can share ideas, information, and responsibilities easily. Fast information sharing, message, and updates are shared quickly between colleagues. Creates better relationships. It helps build a trust, understanding, and cooperation among employees. Helps in problem solving. Workers can discuss issues together and find solutions quickly. Informal and friendly. Communication is often simple, open, and less formal. Increases efficiency. Proper communication reduces confusion and helps complete work faster. In this point, features of communication. So next point is advantages and disadvantages of horizontal communication. First we discuss advantages. First advantage is faster information sharing. Second, better teamwork and cooperation. Third, increase employee satisfaction. About my own point for advantages is improves teamwork. It is a very helpful for horizontal communication. Horizontal communication helps employees work together as a team. When co-workers communicate openly, they can share ideas, support each other, and complete tasks more effectively. Better coordination. Departments and employees at the same level can coordinate their activities properly. These reduce confusion and helps work move smoothly within the organization. Faster information sharing. Information can be shared quickly between colleagues without waiting for approval from higher authorities. This saves time and increased work efficiency. Build a good relationships. Regular communication create trust, friendship, and understanding among employees. A positive work environment improves employee satisfaction and motivation. Increases productivity. This is the point of about horizontal communication and advantages. When communication is clear and effective, employees can understand their responsibilities better and can complete work faster and more accurately. Last point is promotes creativity and innovation. Employees feel comfortable sharing new ideas and suggestions with co-workers. These can lead to creative solutions and innovation in the organization. So, we discuss the disadvantages of horizontal communication. In this PPT, disadvantages we can write chances of misunderstandings, conflicts between departments, and more points is possibility of misunderstandings. Sometimes information may not be communicated clearly, which can relate confusion or misunderstandings between employees, create conflicts. Differences in opinions, attitudes, or work style may lead to arguments or conflicts among co-workers or departments. Main point is a lack of authority. Since employees are the same level, they may not have the authority to make final decisions, but this can delay important actions. Information overload. Too much communication between departments may create unnecessary discussions and waste valuable time. Risk of rumors and gossip. Informal communication among employees can sometimes spread rumors or incorrect information affecting workplace harmony. This is the disadvantages of horizontal communication. So last point is conclusion. Horizontal communication plays an important role in maintaining smooth coordination within a organization. It helps in a problem solving. It creates better relationships among employees and increases productivity. However, if not managed properly, it can also lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and communication problems. Therefore, organizations should encourage clear and effective horizontal communication for smooth functioning and successful life. So, this was all about horizontal communication, its meaning, importance, advantages, and challenges. Thank you for everyone for your attention. Thank you.